In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get emails from Gumroad and Kit.com. By the end, you'll have a simple automation in Zapier that collects customer emails from your Gumroad sales and sends them straight into your Kit account, so you don't have to copy and paste anything manually. Start by opening Zapier and heading to the home dashboard. From there, click Create to start a new workflow, then choose Zaps to open the editor. This is where we'll build the two parts of your automation: the trigger, which listens for activity in Gumroad, and the action, which sends that data to Kit. Let's set up the trigger first. In the editor, click Trigger to pick the app that will start the automation. In the search bar, type Gumroad and select it. Next, choose your trigger event. For collecting emails from orders, a typical choice is something like new sale or a similar purchase-related event, because it includes the buyer's email in the payload. Continue, then connect your Gumroad account. Zapier will prompt you to authorize access. Follow the prompts and make sure you're logged into the correct Gumroad account. After connecting, complete the setup by selecting any required options for the trigger, then pull in a recent sample. That test record helps you confirm that an email and other fields like name or product are coming through correctly. Now add the destination. Click Action to define what should happen with that data, then search for and select Kit. Choose the action event that creates or updates a contact in Kit, such as creating a subscriber or contact. Connect your Kit account and authorize it. In the action setup, map the fields from Gumroad to Kit. The key is to map the email field from your Gumroad trigger to the email field in Kit. If available, you can also map first name, last name, and product information to tags or custom fields so your list stays organized. Use the sample from your trigger to preview how the contact will look. When everything is mapped, click Continue and complete the setup by running a quick test to make sure the contact is created in Kit as expected. A couple of tips as you wrap up. Use a real or sandbox test sale in Gumroad so your sample includes a valid email. Keep your list clean by using tags or segments based on the product purchased. And always make sure you have permission to email your customers according to your region's compliance rules. That's it. Your automation is ready to streamline your email collection from Gumroad to Kit